friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making Sakura Manju. Sakura Manju is a Japanese traditional sweet that is made using sakura petals and sweet bean paste. Now the cherry blossom is in full bloom and we enjoy watching it and eating it. And the taste of the sakura petals is not easy to describe, but it has a slight saltiness and a floral taste and come up with a fragrant aroma. Let's get started. Rinse the cherry blossom petals under cold water to remove any salt, then soak the petals in water for at least 30 minutes to remove saltiness. Drop a tiny amount of red food color into the water to color the dough. Be careful with the amount and do not go too far, just a little bit is good enough. Combine the all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, instant yeast, and run the mixer until the dry ingredients are combined, and then add the lukewarm water, slow and steady stream, while the mixer running on low speed. Run the mixer on low until the mixture forms a dough, and then turn on the speed to medium. Keep mixing until smooth and elastic. This dough doesn't need the first rise, so take out the dough onto the working surface and divide the dough into 20 pieces. Shape it into a ball and then put it in a container to prevent drying out while preparing the red bean paste. Next, divide the red bean paste into 20 pieces. It's about 20 grams. And roll them into a bowl to be easy to work with. Take one dough and roll out the edges while rotating the dough. Roll out the dough into 7 to 6 cm in diameter and notice the center part is thicker than the edges. Place the red bean paste in the center, then pull up the edges and pinch. Repeat the pull up and pinch motion until you wrap it up. In this way of wrapping, the dough evenly wraps around the red bean paste. Place them on the parchment-lined steamer and let them rise for 20 minutes at a warm spot or until they rise a little bit, and then steam for 10 minutes. Take out on a wire rack and then garnish with sakura petals. Serve the sakura manju at the room temperature with matcha green tea that makes your day so lovely. Enjoy your homemade Japanese sakura manju at home. Find more sakura recipes such as sakura mochi or sakura cheesecake and sakura cookies in the description box below. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And tap the bell icon not to miss any of my new videos. Follow me on social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for more information. And join me on the Happy Eating group to share your food with me. And you can find the ingredients on my Amazon store. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!